So over the past decade, I've been on this platform and I've generated billions of views across all of my channels, millions of subscribers, and millions of dollars. But none of that's important because today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the 3 top secrets that actually allowed me to do all these things. And I'm going to show you how you can do it too. And to start off with secret number 1, one of my biggest tips on this platform that's helped me gain billions of views is leveraging the end screen. I don't know how many people don't use this tool, but this tool alone on the YouTube video will allow you to not only get views on your newest videos, but it also allows you to duplicate one viewer and turn it into 10. Because when a viewer sees an end screen video pop up and they're super interested and curious with your content, if they loved it that much, they will 9 times out of 10 click on the next video. And when they click on the next video, instead of you getting 1 view from that viewer, you now have gotten 2. And if they continue to binge watch your content, and just depending on how good your content is and how much the viewer actually enjoys it, that 1 view may have just turned into 10. And now you don't only just have 10 extra views from 1 viewer, you now are going to get pushed out even further because YouTube's going to see how much a viewer enjoys your content, that they're going to start to test a lot faster and a lot more rapid with more people who are similar to that 1 viewer, which makes your content go even more viral. And I'll even give you an example. How is it that I can post a vlog? I, David Omari, who has never posted any vlogs, only focuses on faceless channels and faceless content, posts his very first vlog and it gets 100,000 views. Nobody knows who I am. Nobody cares about who I am. But because I know how to leverage that end screen, my video just went from 0 to hero literally in less than a month because I'm leveraging other videos that people are very interested in to actually get the attention on the vlog. The end screen method is the same method I use for all my faceless channels. I'm now doing it on my face channel just to prove that the method works no matter what niche you're in, and it's an amazing method to actually leverage so that you can start to get more views on your video. The other thing about the end screen method is that when you post a brand new video, instead of you letting your video sit on a shelf and just waiting for it to get views, if you have an end screen on every single video on your channel that is literally telling people, hey, click this next video. If that next video is the most recent video that you posted on your channel and you have 100 videos on your channel and you post a 100 video, that 100 video is now going to be promoted on all 99 videos on your channel. So if you have a channel of 100 videos and 99 of those videos, even if they're only getting 10 to 100 views a day, well, guess what? All those videos are now promoting your most newest video. So you don't have to fight for new viewership because you already have viewers that are tuning into other videos that are most likely going to click on your newest video depending on how much they enjoy your content. Now, I know the light bulb just went off in your head and you're probably saying, aha, well, this actually is very smart if you really think about it, because not only are you getting all these views from all these videos that you already posted and it's promoting your own content, but now you're also generating passive income without you having to do anything that's not organic. You are literally just leveraging this end screen tool, which is 100% organic, and you're just duplicating the views that you're already getting onto your newer videos. Which now actually brings me to secret number 2, which is the playlist method. Now, the playlist method has to do with session time, which also adds to the end screen method. Now, session time on YouTube is just the amount of time a viewer spends in a certain session. So with a playlist, if you guys look at my channel right now, you'll notice that I don't have a playlist that says uploads, popular uploads, or even the For You section on the front page of my channel. The reason why I don't use the popular uploads or even the For You section on the front page of my actual YouTube channel is because these videos actually promote other videos on YouTube. Now, I'm not stingy with viewership and I'm not saying that you should be, but what I'm saying is I know that if I just post a video and I don't have it in a playlist, that is just going to show all these other people that are similar to my channel, and my viewer is most likely going to see that it is suggested and they're going to leave. Okay, now what is best to do is to place your videos in a playlist, and the playlist has to make sense. Don't place a bunch of random videos. If you have a channel that's based on about basketball and you do, an NBA like type of segment or series, you want to make sure you have a specific playlist for that topic, right? But what I'm saying is when you have a specific video that's a specific topic and you know you're going to make multiple videos or you're going to do a series, you want to make sure you playlist that video and place it on your channel, because then what happens is instead of YouTube promoting a bunch of other videos, when a person clicks on a video video that is in a playlist from your channel, they're now going to promote every single video in the playlist, which now connects all your videos, which is what gonna give you session time. That session time is going to help your videos and your channel actually blow up, because YouTube really looks at that. They look at the metric of session time, look at the metric of watch time. They want to see how long your viewer is staying on the channel. The longer you can keep a viewer on your channel, the more YouTube's going to test it with more audiences, and that's how you are going to be able to garnish views and just go viral consistently without having to worry and stress about always getting a new viewer. I'm pretty sure you guys can see the similarities in Secret 1 and Secret 2 and what I've been doing to get billions of views. My secret technique is to leverage the viewers I already have, right? And try and get them to watch as much content as possible on my channel, because then I'm going to get another viewer who's going to do the same thing. A lot of YouTubers on the platform, when they actually start a YouTube channel, or even when they're doing YouTube for a while and they're not seeing that ultimate success, is because a lot of these YouTubers are going for one-off views. Most YouTube channels are not trying to give value and not trying to give great content. They're literally just leveraging it to make income, which is nothing wrong with it. Feed your family. I did the same thing do with mine. But what I'm saying to you is, when you go for a one-off, you literally are just kind of killing the viewer. And there's billions of people on YouTube viewing content, but you want to build an audience that's loyal and that's going to continue to watch your content. So just imagine if all the viewers on your channel and all the views on your channel were 10x. How many more views would you have? If you have 1,000 views on your channel, that's 10,000. If you have 10,000, that's 100,000, right? So just make sure whenever you are trying to put a video out that you're always making the video as if the viewer can watch it 10 times or even watch more of your content 10 times to give you the viewership on your channel. Which brings me to the third secret, the analytics. Now, I'm not going to go too into depth with the analytics because I know it could get a little complex, but all I want you to understand is one simple thing. YouTube simply wants you to have a viewer click a video, watch the video, engage with the video, share the video, and enjoy the video. That's all YouTube wants you to do. They just want you to watch and view the video. And once you figure that out, your life will literally be 10 times easier on this platform. And without me making this too complex, if you think about it, this is only based off of two metrics. Remember when I said YouTube just wants you to have a viewer click the video and watch the video? Well, the two metrics that are actually along with that is the click-through rate, right? And also the average viewer duration. The click-through rate heavily is based off of the thumbnail and the title, the curiosity that sparks the viewer. And not only does your thumbnail have to spark curiosity and your title have to spark curiosity to drag that viewer in, you actually have to make great content so that your average viewer duration is high. You want your average viewer duration to be as close to 100% on that video as possible, which means, again, what are we going back to? The viewer clicking on the video and the viewer watching the video. If you can get those two metrics down, you will have a much better time. Now, when it comes to tips and secrets about actually understanding how to get a viewer to watch your video, it's simple. Go back to your videos, look at where the highest drop-off rate is. Go into the video, watch that part where the highest drop-off rate is, see what you did wrong, and never do it again. And the same thing for a peak. Look at the highest peak on your video. Whatever the most watched part in your video is, make sure you re-implement that in all of your videos, not the same exact way, but in a way to where you can get that same result every single time. Which now brings me to the bonus secret. I know a lot of you guys are enjoying all the information and the value that I'm giving you in this video, so it's only right that I give you guys a bonus. And that bonus is if you guys would like to actually learn more information about YouTube, more strategies about YouTube automation and blowing up faceless channels, making passive income on the platform, I actually have a free workshop that I'm hosting on Sunday that you can actually come and join. It's gonna be live, so you can ask me questions and we can do a deep dive and really get to the nitty gritty of how you can actually blow up your YouTube channel without ever showing your face or ever making a single video. And again, guys, it's 100% free. I have thousands of students that go through this free training and get insane results on the platform, such as making $10,000 a month or even making $42,000 from a single video. And all you have to do is click the link at the top of the description to register and secure your spot before they are full. Seats do fill up on Sunday, so make sure you secure your spot right now, and you guys can get more information and more knowledge about the YouTube platform, and most importantly, the YouTube automation business model. Now, if you guys enjoyed today's video, you got a lot of value and you want to see some more, make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel with all notifications turned on before you leave, and also check out this next video for more value and free game. I'll see you guys there. Let's go.